wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west, I'm Olivia and welcome back to... That's right, Dream Again! Yay! Do you know what we're doing today? Today we are doing story time. Story time is so much fun. And today we're doing a very special kind of book. It is a book about Noah and I. Ooh. You know, you can make up all sorts of books about you and your friends. It's very fun. All right. So today's book is Olivia and Noah's Book of Opposites. Yay! Okay. Hello today, Olivia and Noah. Are you learning about opposites? Do you know the opposite of hello? That's right. The opposite of hello is goodbye. Oh, did you know that? Yeah. Do you also know the opposite of hi? That's right. The opposite of hi is bye. Just like hello and goodbye. Yay! Shh. I know you guys are all very excited, but shh, we are in a library now. Okay, shh. When Noah goes to the library, he must be very quiet. Yes, because people are reading, and you need quiet to read. But Olivia comes in and says, "Do you know the opposite of quiet?" "Shh," says Noah. "I do know the opposite of quiet, but shh, we are in a library. You should be very quiet." "Yes," says Olivia, "but I'm really excited to tell you the opposite of quiet is loud." "Shh," says Noah. "Yes, the opposite of quiet is loud, but in the library we should be quiet, not loud." But later, when they are at home, they are practicing the drums, and Olivia says, I'm playing the drums, and then Noah comes in and says, "Loud, Olivia!" Loud is when we are playing the drums. Do you know the opposite of loud? And Olivia says, quiet. Shh, quiet so I can focus on my music. Oh no! Outside it's starting to rain, but Noah has an umbrella to stay dry. Oh, that was very smart of you to bring an umbrella, Noah. Very, very clever. Do you know the opposite of dry? Do you? Do you, Noah? No? Elmo? Peppa? Any? No? Oh, maybe? I think you guys do and just aren't saying.
What?
Yep, wet. You're right. The opposite of dry is wet. When it rains, Olivia loves to splash and play. She gets very wet. So Noah stays dry under his umbrella, and Olivia gets wet, running in the puddles. Noah walks slowly down the street. Do you know the opposite of slow? You've got it! The opposite of slow is... Peppa? Elmo? Someone? You know when you're running and you run, and you're moving, and you're going around a racetrack, like race, and then you know that you're running very...
Fast!
Yes, that's very fast! You've got it! The opposite of slow is fast. Olivia likes to run. She can run very, very fast. Noah also likes to run. He can run very, very, very fast too. And then Noah is chasing Olivia, and they are running in a race. Run. But after they finish the race, they are both very tired. And now they go slow. So, slow is the opposite of fast. Very nice. Wow, what a busy day everyone had. Do you know the opposite of day? Good job! The opposite of day is night. Yes! Olivia and Noah are getting ready for bed. Wow. Yeah, there are so many things they have to do before they go to bed. They have to brush their teeth and pick up their room and do all that stuff. Yeah, it's very, very much. Wow. While they are laying in bed, they think to themselves of all the opposites they have learned. We have learned quick and slow. We have learned hello and goodbye. Do you know any of them? Anyone? Peppa? Peppa says we learned dry and wet. And Mickey says slow and fast. Yes. Then they try to think of new opposites. They think and remember right. What is the opposite of right? If you do something right or correct. Yep, correct. What is the opposite of correct? The opposite of correct is wrong. That's right. Some things, when we put an answer on a test, we get it right. And sometimes when we put an answer on a test, we get it wrong. But that's okay, because we tried our hardest. And what else? We can do almost opposites too, right?
Ooh, I know.
Noah!
Small.
Oh, yes. What's the opposite of small? Does anyone else know? Anyone? Yeah? Do you want to tell us, Noah, what the opposite of small is?
Tall.
Tall, yeah. Or also big. Big can be the opposite of small. And another word for the opposite of tall could be when someone is very, very
Tiny.
tiny. Yep, tiny. Or short. Yep. That's another one, huh? There are so many opposites. It's amazing how many things you can learn about opposites. So, what's the opposite of day? Night. And in the day, there is the sun. So it's kind of like the moon is the opposite of the sun. Yeah, that's really, really cool. I like it. What also, if you look up in the sky and you see all the stars where the moon and the sun are, then what's the opposite of up?
Down.
Down. Yep, that's right. Yeah. Do you also know you have one left hand and the opposite of left is?
Right.
Right. Correct. You have a right hand and a left hand. And then Noah walked out on the street and he was going forward, but Olivia decided she would turn around and walk backwards. And Noah said, "Hey, backwards is the opposite of forwards." And he was right. That's true. What else? There's also the front of us and the back of us. What else could be opposites? Oh, emotions can be opposites. Like maybe one day you're really, 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 really happy, and that's one thing. But then another day, if it's not a good day, then you're sad. Yeah, and those are opposites. Yeah, but I like when we're happy. I like being happy the most. Yeah, being happy is very, very good. Oh, also there's excited and bored. Yep. Sometimes Noah gets bored. But me, I'm usually excited. I don't know why. I just have a lot of energy. Oh, what's the opposite of energy? Maybe no energy. There's not always a perfect word for an opposite, huh? Yeah. Wow. This was a really, really, really great book. What else has opposites? Oh, I know. A story has the opposites, huh? So in a story you have the beginning and you have the
End.
End. Yep. You have the beginning and the end. And that is the end of our story too. Wow. Thank you guys so much for coming and reading with me today. I really enjoyed it. I feel like I learned a lot too. Now we know all about opposites. That's great. Yeah. Wow. I'm tired now. Okay. Well, thank you for coming to dream again. Have a good night, and I hope you dream again. Bye. Bye. Thank you for coming. Bye. Or hi. Hee 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 hee. Because that would be the opposite. No, we'll say bye. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and like us and comment, okay? Thanks!